since you have thirst on you, what you say is a big thirst came on him. Hanig tart more air.
Hanig tart more air.
Okay. And then number 23. Wahishe ehein igtichimischach abal dawan doracha. So he felt, wahishe, the word mohi is feel. Ehein himself, igtichim falling, ischach is in, or into, ibal into a hole, dawan is deep, and doracha is dark. So he felt himself falling into a hole, into a deep dark hole. Wahishe ehein igtichim.
Wahishe ehein igtichim.
Ischach ebal dawan doracha. Okay, I don't have a lot of time, so I'll read through it once and then we'll. Huh? Dawan. Dawan is deep.
Part 1 last.
Oh, Sheila is Kira. I had the wrong name.
Oh.
I don't know where I got Sheila from.
Maybe there's another one coming.
Part 1
Yeah,
last week.
this character actually gets better in the story, which is interesting. Oh, his character.
Where did he wake up last week with a hangover? It couldn't have been this place. Was it his own place? Or?
We'll actually do I'm going to continue with this for a little bit more, maybe another lesson or two.
Is she good or bad?
We'll find out next week. Okay.
I didn't remember her
A
name.
reason to come to class,
Yeah.
Kathleen.
Okay. Well, the narrator remembers her name. I'm going to just read through. You can go to the first page, or if you want, if that's easier for you. I'm just going to read through it all to see how everything fits together, and then we'll break. Okay. So, nuair a thug sí cura ar ais chun a tharasáin dó, a ghlach sé leis go fúnmhar. Dag sé slán a go chompánaí, ligear nar thug sé méideas a good righteous grace de fuideara, agus throirí amachí go dtí an áit in a raibh an pórtáilte aige. Bhí a tharasáin sit I death ard méarga I gantar an sabird in chathair. Bhí an troscan déir agus rachfa go béal na mrógs na carpéid ghibhne. Sí a heisce agus lig de cí a dúirt Ciara leis de glór bín ísisiil. Thiúil sí an anchaid cornflower ar raibh buidéal agus glíonn na seasamh in nuachtaí. Cara óla tú? Táim sach faoi láthair a dreagar colm. Seafoid, caithí tú deocha ól ar de chéad chuirte mar falas an seo a dúirt Ciara le gearchaire. Ó bhhair mé pina colada duit. Chrom sí ar buidéal a chruiche agus ar jochan a bhesca. An sin, thug sí gline dó ina raibh léacht in a lí faoi bhionsca goréine. Cuirí sin an ghruag ag fás ar a waracíní a dúirt sí. Chuir sí dlúias go románsach ar siúil. Gása sí an anchaige agus hí sí taobh leis ar an tolag. Chiimo sí a grua go mála na grua. Thug colm éirí ar a bhlúsa oscailt a chéip ar gréim a bhré ar na cnepi. Ól sí ré a dúirt Ciara de chugar mealtach a chur éiteoga ar a chrí. Bhain sé súmín as an deoch, bhí blas deas milliis air. Dó sé a raibh sa gline. Tháinig mearbháil ar go tuban. Waithí sé éhéin ag tiitiimisteach a báil dawan doracha. Okay. Right, so I'm going to give Galer on the Bawalia.